Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to eLearning for All, your language learning hub. Today, we're delving into another essential topic: ordinal numbers in English. Let's dive right in. Ordinal numbers are a bit different from cardinal numbers. While cardinal numbers represent quantity, ordinal numbers express the position or order of items. Today, we'll focus on the basics of ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. Just like with cardinal numbers, pronunciation is crucial. Repeat after me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Take a moment to observe the spelling of each ordinal number. Feel free to pause the video and practice writing them down. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Let's explore how we use ordinal numbers in our daily lives. March is the third month of the year. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can expand your knowledge to higher ordinal numbers, like 11th, 12th, 13th, and so forth. Let's reinforce what we've covered with a quick exercise. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences by using the corresponding ordinal number. Ready? The man with the blue helmet is leading in. Place. April is the month of the year. You come first, no. Great job, everyone! Today, we've explored ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th in English. Remember, practice is key, so incorporate these into your conversations and activities. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow language learners. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more language lessons, and we'll catch you in the next video.